What's up, people of YouTube? This is me, Jaden Strange, my friend Haley over there. We're gonna play some football. Well, actually, Haley's name is Haley Armstrong, but like you needed to know that. You don't. Okay, let's just start playing some football here. As you can see, I've had 10 over bars of chocolate lately. Oh, then I freaking out!
Oh my
The Jeez! I'm trying to finish my freaking set! Ow! Ow!
So I'll go right now, I'm bleeding, you freaking retard.
You get too scared! She gets too scared!
Until I start to take
She gets too scared!
guys.
Okay.
I'm gonna be sitting here. Come on. Ah, buddy.
Let's catch!
You facing on me until I hit you.
I got it!
I gotta get this show.
Yeah! We're lucky. That almost hit a mine! Bang!
Here you go, look at me, cuz.
Watch out for that mine!
Oh my god!
Oh shit!
You're posting that on YouTube, what you saying that word in there?
Remember, once again, subscriber, send by the chocolate.
Oh my god.
I made her hand there!
Never, you keep it on me. Oh my gosh!
It's gonna be a super beastie throw. Whoa!
Oh my teeth.
Sorry guys, it's
Take it
rats.
on me. Oh my jolly!
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Go. Come on, cuz.
Take all that angle.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, nice catch. Ruin that catch.
Mighty smiley.
Oh, that almost hit a mine. I almost hit a mine. Lucky still be here. I almost hit it up.
Touchdown.
No, sir. What?
Squeal like a little girl.
You squeal like a little boy,
Look at me.
chicken.
Look at me. Look at him. No. Oh! Here. One. Oh! Oh!
That's how the girls do. What? The girls do are
Why are you acting? Look at me. Like this is your. No, look at him. No, look at me. No, look at him again. No, look at me when he does it.
This is not a girl's weak spot.
Oh.
This is a girl's weak spot.
Abby, that's your love.
So don't be acting like you.
That's
all
what
that
nobody knows
stuff.
how to dick on there.
What? Don't be acting like you all that stuff.
Come on.
Hey,
I'll try to get through.
oh!
Oh, you might want to stop it. Oh. Might want to stop it.
Don't stop, don't stop.
For real.
No, this is comedy gold.
Oh, God. Stop the video.
Okay, cut.